"Nobody's touched me like that in years." Those words echo in the minds of so many women over 50. That feeling of being truly seen, desired, and honored as the goddess you are. At Intimate Romance Retreats Tobago, we believe that healing and romance aren't separate paths. They're two sides of the same sacred journey. When intimacy fades, your body knows it. Stress builds, sleep suffers, and that divine feminine energy dims. Our retreat combines quantum healing therapies with sacred intimacy practices designed specifically for women aged 50 to 75. Experience neurology matrix balance therapy, infrared cardio sauna detox, and the transformative power of sacred Yoni massage, where you receive complete attention and awaken to pleasure that flows for hours. This isn't just about physical release. It's about reconnecting with your essence in the breathtaking beauty of Tobago. You deserve to be cherished. You deserve to feel alive again. You deserve to rediscover your inner goddess. And now is your moment. Book your transformative escape to Tobago now. Call or message Ricchi Martin at +1 868 281 8641 or email rickymartin4@gmail.com. Your journey to joy, connection, and radiant intimacy begins here.